It's absolutely amazing what these graphs can do nowadays. All I'm doing right now is simply graphing a channel edge, looking for fish marks. Some may be suspended just off the bottom. And you'll actually see on my 2D sonar right here, I can see a few marks that were laying just off the edge of the break, but just off the bottom as well too. And one of the things that you can do to make sure that not only do you know the area that those fish are in, but the exact location, make sure that you hit the touch screen, the cursor right on the fish. We're gonna hit waypoint twice. It's actually gonna drop a waypoint behind the boat quite a ways, exactly where that mark was. But the beauty is obviously not all the time I'm just gonna be looking for fish in situations like this. I may be graphing a weed edge with my side scan. So you literally can just drive down that weed edge, continue to use the touch screen, drop the waypoints on the weed edge, and it'll give you a whole line of waypoints down that weed edge. So it's very easy to always stay right by that edge, whether you're casting to it, whether you're trolling. One of the things too that we do a lot of is graphing at high speeds. And there's a feature in these Lowrance units that I use a ton of, especially when I'm looking for open water fish when I'm graphing fast. I might be running 20, 25 miles an hour, and I'll see a pot of fish, but you maybe not hit it right away. And there's a scroll back feature that you can use, and it's simply just going back to your 2D when you see those fish at high speeds, and you can actually scroll back. You can see where I dropped the previous waypoints right there. Scroll back as far as, oh, say, let's mark that fish right there. That was quite a ways back. And so at high speeds, you'll actually see that it dropped it all the way back to that last fish. So when I'm looking for open water fish, I'll use that scroll back feature quite often to make sure that I see the right things that I want to see and drop those waypoints. So a combination of using your 2D, your side scan, your down scan, when you touch those areas, it's going to drop the waypoint perfectly on your GPS, exactly where you always want to be.